perform this, you will need a pair of jam spreaders that are available at schwichco.com and a flathead screwdriver. First, you want to have the sash removed from the frame. Next, with your flathead screwdriver, remove the balance cover. Using that same flathead screwdriver, remove the balance pull string. Using your flathead screwdriver, unlock the shoe and move it towards the middle of the frame, making sure you leave enough room for your jam spreader. Place one jam spreader on top of the shoe. Place your second jam spreader underneath the shoe. Begin to tighten these jam spreaders and spread apart the frame. Spread it until you're able to remove the shoe. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to assist you in removing the shoe from the frame. Take your new shoe, place it into the frame, and release your jam spreaders. Lock your shoe back into place. Pull your balance string back down and lock it into the shoe. Place your balance cover back on